Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to day 7 of our design challenge, and which is also the last day of our design challenge. So my name remains Ali Tawfiq Alanwaju, and I will be your host. So today we are redesigning this flyer. This a beauty flyer. And so without further ado, let's get started. So if you look at this flyer, it has like a white background. Understand? So um let me just hide it. Go if you have any white background. I think I have a white background that I want to use. Let me import it from my gallery. Okay, just use a plain of the white background I have. Okay, let me use that. Use that. So I'm going to do some tweaking there so that it will not be too white. Let me add another suffix there. Okay, let me add something like this there. So I will now reduce the opacity of this. So let me lock this. So you can now reduce the opacity of this. You just reduce the opacity so that it can just blend a little. So now it will not give it too white color. So that is the background. So next is to bring this image, this lady. Understand? So I've gotten that already. Go to where I've removed the background. So remove the bg. So this is the lady. You can just reduce the space and bring it here. This is the lady. Bring it here. Something like this. Okay. Look at this. Okay, it's almost the same thing. So I won't want this video to be very long. So this is it. This is it. Something like this. So you can lock it. So what again the way of the name of the beauty salon, Fuse Beauty Hub. Sorry. This image can still go back a little. Fuse, go to your text. PHIL page Fuse. Let's give it one color first so I can see what I'm doing. So you can drag it here and give it a font. The font the person uses more of a serif font. Okay, I think this one is okay. Let me use this magical. Okay, no, Gakko. Okay, there are many fonts, but I feel let me just use this. Let me use this magical. Okay, so let's look at the color the designer used there. Just go to color picker, go to the design. Let's see the color he used. Sorry. Let's see the color he used. Okay. The actual color, I think something like this. This is the color you use. Let us take it from here. You use this and this, a gradient color. Let's go to gradients. Okay, pick this one first. Okay, this one is to this side. Pick another color. The next color you used, this one, something like this, something like this. So that is the second color. This is the second color that was used in the design. So you can just okay it. This is the color that was used. Feels. Let me increase the size. Okay. Make my own border. Okay, 100 is still okay. Okay. Feels the beauty hub. Okay. Just let me log this and duplicate it. Beauty up. The font you use is a Manceras font, but I don't think I have a Manceras font on my phone. So let's just use another similar font. Okay. Let me go to the font first. Okay. Just like the video, subscribe, like and subscribe. Let me use TT Travel. TT Travel, it's okay. TT Travel is okay. It's almost like a Monstera font. So they're in the same family. So let me just increase it. 45. Let me use 50. 45 is okay. Color black. Let me give it a black color. Let me reduce the space. Okay. I think it's okay like this. Okay, move it up. Just make it to the center. So we're still going to do some adjustment. Let's just keep going because of the length of the tutorial. I don't want it to be very lengthy. You can see 8 minutes. We have not actually done something. So we have our services. Just duplicate this. We duplicate it. Our services. Just bring down one. Reduce the size. Our services. Okay, font. Let me use the same font, but let me use under typeface. Let me use medium. Let me use Triobold. Triobold is okay. So okay. So give it a background. Go to your background and give it a background. Give it this background. You're still going to change that text to white. So 12. Give this one to like 12. Understand? The top padding too. It's too much. The top padding you can give it like that 12 too. Bottom padding too, you can give it like that 12. Okay, so the corner radius is, let's give it like 15. 15 is okay. So the text, let me give it a color of white. so that it will blend well. This one would also go, but let me give it white. So we have something like this. So you can bring it down a little. Okay, so other ones are quite, other ones are just tests. I'll put this line here. This line is okay. Let me reduce this our service. Go to relative size. I think it's quite big. Okay, 20 is okay. 20 is okay. Bring a shape. Okay. Color. Okay, just give it a black color. So give it a black color and try to move it to this guy. Move it to our service. Okay, so I think we are there already. Just bring it down a little bit. You can still reduce the size of this. Okay, so okay, so this is how that one is going to shape. You can just merge the two of them. Merge the two. So it has been merged. You can now move it here. Something like this. So other ones we have okay, the first one is a circle was used. Circle. Okay, just position it. So I have to pause the video to enable me do some of those things. So but we won't be able to write all these tests because of the time. I want the video to be very, very long. So what I do is just I create a circle and I reduce the size and I move it. So to serve as my bullet point. Understand? So that's what I did. So we might not be able to write all these services because of the time, but I believe you get what we are doing. So the next one after manicure, we have lash fixing. Just take manicure here and duplicate it. Understand? Edit it and write lash fixing. Understand? Okay, so drag it. You can drag it or you can move it. Anyone will do. So so that's that. The next one is that let me just do this last one and let me continue with other section because of the time. So that's how you're going to do the other tests. So just move it down, move it. So you can now reduce it so that it will lap well. Okay, so after lash fixing, what do we have here again? Washing all types of, you can put that one in that section. Washing all types of lash fixing. Copy it, edit. Washing all types of hair. Okay. So after finishing typing all these things, you would import all these 4 images. So you have wasted a lot of time on this stuff. So just go to gallery, import the images that relate to beauty. So let me just go to my pins. Okay, the video, someone of the video. I relate to beauty. Okay, I have some of them here. Let me just pick some. Let me pick this one. Navigate to beauty. Okay. That's one. Can lock it. And put another one again. Go to your. Put another one. Can put this one. Okay. Let me just close the gap a little. Relative size, you can just reduce the size a little too. So please like the video and subscribe. That is the only way you can help. You can appreciate what I am doing. That's the only way you can appreciate it. So my name is Taufik Ali Online Waju. So we are almost done. Let me pick this lady too. Pick this lady. Okay. Let me crop it. I think it's somehow long. And then it's only her face. Let me move this people up a little bit. Okay. So let me import the last image. Go to your gallery and import the last image. So okay, browse my pins. Let me pick one of the images again. Okay, let me pick this one. Okay, just reduce it and bring it here. And still reduce it a little bit. Okay. Okay, so we are done with the 4. So this, if you look at this one, this guy puts small stuff here. Let me see how we can do that. Let me see how we can achieve that. This and this. Let me close your gap. And let me move them up a little bit. So I have enough space there. So for that, let's see what we can do. You create a shape. Reduce the opacity of the shape, and go to stroke. This is the stroke. Just give it this stroke. Give it like 2 is okay. 2 is okay. Okay, it. Go to eraser. Just erase the parts you don't need. Just erase the parts you don't need. Okay, it. So this is what we have. This is something that this is what we have. Just to bring it down. Just snap it very well. Snap. Can you see that is what other one is our shape? Just duplicate this. Oh, sorry. Duplicate this, and you can move it to where you need it. So what you invert it like this, invert it, and you drag it to where you actually need it. Okay. Okay, I think I did not invert it well. Should be something like this. Something like this. Okay, 20 minutes should have wound up this video. Okay, so this is how that stuff is achieved. What next is just to create a shape and put all those things there. Go to your shape, put it here, then put it here, drag it, we're still going to put these guys up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move them up a little bit so that this one should be moved up a little bit. So the shape, you can now like work on it some more. So you apply your color, give it the gradient color. Understand? So I'll pause the video to just put all those things there because the 22 minutes is getting long. Let me pause the video. What is here? We have icon for the location. Of that. So after importing the location icon, click on this color and give it a white. Give it a white color. Give it a white color. Okay, import the WhatsApp. Import the WhatsApp icon. WhatsApp and the color icons. This is the WhatsApp icon. This is the WhatsApp icon. We're almost finishing with the video. The video is taking our time. Okay, so this is WhatsApp. You can still reduce the size if that one is too big. Okay, and you would go to where did I even hide this? Okay, no, the call is after this brush. Okay, you have to know where you hide the resources. That's the only way you can. After this guy, so that is the call. So go to color and change it to white. Change it to pure white and reduce the size. Reduce the size. So what I did was this layer, I duplicated it and put your phone number there, any phone number. 0103500. Understand? So just drag it here. So we are done with tutorial. This flower, there will not be time for that. Take a flower and just put it beside this. Let me add this, and this should go down a little bit. Okay, so I think we are done. This image, this main image, let me go to color filter and add some effects in it. Some effects. So when you are done with all this, you'd go to save as project. Day 7 challenge, or anything you want to save it as. So after that, oh sorry,
Here's how I received 600,000 naira.
okay, so you'd now go to save as image, save it as image. So you can leave it like this, or you can now go to any of your editing app, and let me go to Snapseed, open Snapseed, and just apply something. So this is what you have designed. So you can use any of this: portrait, smooth, pop, accentuate, any of this, understand, just to give you what you actually want. Okay. So thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.